who are threatening here. The fly sweep to the beat. Side again, as he is taken down by the corner, Maurice McKnight.
He can't, but still the play calling designed to set up more interior runs to James Wilder. These kind of runs make the defensive line for Edmonton widen out a little bit more to set up tackle-to-tackle runs for big number 32.
Wilders had 10 touches on the night. Again, no J.C. Sheridan. Corey Jones at middle linebacker. Franklin to the outside. Musty Edwards. A first down. 9.
Franklin taking it. Come out of the locker room at halftime, down in the score. Get that first drive, a nice throw.
Edwards, the Eskimos have not surrendered a quarter point in the last. It's away, and he's got to throw, and that one. I talked to maybe.
William Fit Cap, you know, you could kick in there first down.
Back inside our Friday Night Football Control studios, Rod Smith, David Sanchez, Matt Dunning, and Milt Stegel, we apologize. Obviously, a technical problem coming from our connection with Commonwealth Stadium. It seems the rain is wreaking havoc with more than just the football game, which does continue right now with the Eskimos leading at 8-3. So just offer a thought as we hope to get back and join Chris and Glenn soon.
Yeah, I'd be happy to. I'm just continually impressed with the young quarterback, James Franklin, coming in and delivering the football in these type of conditions, doing what he's doing. We heard CC and Sue's talking about it briefly there at the start of the